The flow show from Bank of America, you have 9 straight weeks now of inflows into equities, the largest 4-week inflow ever into crypto assets. We can hit that because you keep buying Bitcoin, and you did it again, as we would show Bitcoin again, because we got to 100K, we kissed it, then we came back a little bit, and we're hovering right below.
Right, which is not unusual. So I'm in my office in Chicago, and I see the news of who Trump appointed for the SEC.
Yeah, crypto-friendly person.
Exactly. So it was trading below, I think it was at 97,000 at the time, immediately bought some more and said this is going to be the catalyst to get it through 100. It was going to get through 100 anyway. Now, yesterday we saw a 5% correction. It's not unusual when you go through these psychological points that are resistance to fall back behind it. But I now think 100 is going to be support, and that we will keep going once the administration's actually in place.
Well, some of the commentary yesterday was, if I recall it correctly, overdone but not over. Right, yeah, that might have been Wolf research that said overdone but not over. And then you had other calls of saying, well, yeah, they agree with Weiss. 100,000, okay, ante up, give me 250 next year.
And that's the beauty of investing something that has no intrinsic value, because you just can't say it's overvalued or it's undervalued. It's purely momentum.
So what are you playing for, Weiss? Like if you bought it at 97?
Money.
No.
Money.
No.
Let's
be serious. Are you playing for 25% return on it?
I don't think I have to define it. I'm playing for the momentum, and when the momentum starts. When the momentum starts down.
Okay, that's a good point for the next debate, because it doesn't really matter. He's playing the momentum. Do you continue to play the momentum in discretionary up 14.5% since the election? Do you continue to play the momentum in financials up 7.5% since the election? What do you do? This is a momentum market, and you can see it on 1,000 different levels and layers.
Yeah, but I don't invest for momentum. So what I do is I pick off individual stocks, right? And if I'm looking at a stock, I'm like, okay, I want to earn 8 to 10% a year on average over the next 3 to 5 years. So let's say I buy it, I'm like, I expect to earn 50% between the next 3 and 5 years.